I'm Kip Anderson, co-director of Cowspiracy and What the Health.
My name is Keegan Kuhn. I'm the co-director of Cowspiracy and What the Health.
Hello, my name is Sailesh Rao, and I'm the executive director of Climate Healers, the author of 2 books, Carbon Dharma and Carbon Yoga, and an executive producer of 3 documentary films, The Human Experiment, Cowspiracy and What the Health. We are in a grave crisis at the moment. We are in the midst of the 6th great mass extinction event in the Earth's history, and it is being caused by us.
65 million years ago, when all the dinosaurs died off, is nothing compared to the rate of extinction we're going through right now. And the primary driver of that extinction is our diets.
It turns out that global animal agriculture is the leading cause of this mass extinction event and other environmental ills around the planet. In fact, it is the leading cause of climate change as well.
Climate change is maybe the most urgent crisis in human history, and we have to know the truth of what the real cost animal agriculture is having on climate change.
In my calculations, on a 10-year time frame, global animal agriculture is responsible for more greenhouse gas emissions than any other industry sector, including energy sector. But you don't hear about this from the mainstream media. You don't hear about this from climate scientists. In fact, corporate-funded scientists had calculated that global animal agriculture is only responsible for 15% of greenhouse gas emissions.
First we see the FAO put out 18%, then somehow a few years later it goes down to 14.5%.
2 environmental advisors to the World Bank did an analysis of their own using the global standard for measuring greenhouse gases and found that animal agriculture is actually responsible for 51% of all human-caused climate change.
So you have numbers ranging from 15% all the way to 80%. So what is going on? When we have numbers that are so far off, we get confused. And when we get confused, we stop taking action. Doubt is their product. And by casting doubt on this issue, they're preventing us from taking the necessary actions.
This is a very, very urgent situation. We have to find out the truth now, with no collusion with industry, completely independent funded research.
I'm in favor of supporting independent, non-biased, non-industry funded research when it comes to the true impacts of raising animals for food on this planet, particularly when it comes to climate change.
To do that, we have identified some very respected academics who are experts in land use and carbon. This is why I ask you to support this crowdfunding campaign that will get these respected academics to look into this problem and nail it down, to know exactly how much greenhouse gas emissions is coming from this one sector. This is not a hard problem. This is not very difficult to calculate. It just needs resources.
That's why I'm myself donating to this campaign and encourage everybody to support non-biased, non-industry funded studies like this.
Please support this independently funded research study to finally find out once and for all what the true impact is of animal agriculture on climate change.
So please support this campaign and donate as you can. Thank you very much.